My name is Olivia Hynes. I'm from 4 Roads in County Roscommon, farming about 25 or 26 years full-time. Rather unusual that as a woman full-time farmer. I have 4 brothers and 3 sisters, but my parents had faith in me and it's me that's the farmer in the family. We have suckler cows and sheep. Our sheep enterprise, we sell the lambs to the factories and sell some store lambs to the mart. And our sucklers, we got into them, we'll say, since I took over. Before they were kind of fattening cattle, now we're into sucklers, and we sell weanlings, keep our own replacements. Top 3 things I'm doing on the farm: improving our soil fertility and improving our genetics on our both beef and sheep. And the third one is improving our grassland management. So I'm watching the P's and the N's and the K's, so I think that's very important because there's no point putting out manure and not needing it. So I'm working on that and improving on that and using protected urea, so that's very important to me. The grassland management has changed completely this last couple of years. I've put in more paddocks, more fences. On the home farm I have a lot of little bit of paddocks that are 1 strand of electric, very simple, very cheap. Definitely with all the fences I've put in, and new roadways and water troughs, I can see that I have more grass, not putting out as much fertiliser, not as much topping. And then this year I have a lot more bales, I have surplus bales. Our breeding has changed, we'll say, this last 2 years. We had a bull, and he was subfertile, so rather than going out buying a bull, we went 100% AI. Now in the pot I have 2 Simmentals, 2 Limousines, 2 Charlies and Belgian Blue, so I can pick what bull goes with what cow, what heifer. The environment is very important, and we probably should have been doing this long time, but at least we're at it now. And we can make a difference, you know. Other people can't plant hedging and trees, but as farmers we can, you know. We can plant a couple of 100 trees, we can plant 1,000 or 2,000 hedgerows, you know. Someone in a garden can't do that, so looking for the few acres that's gone, it makes no difference to us, you know what I mean. I think it'll be well worth it for the next generation coming.